Hey y'all, it's Andre. I recently moved to LA for this summer, so I'm gonna show y'all around my apartment. This has been something I've been wanting to do for the longest time, so I'm glad I can finally say I've done it. Let me show y'all around. This is the living room. This is where I come to relax at the end of the night. There's a sofa, there's a TV, and there's a big mirror. What more can you ask for? This sofa is like so comfortable. I've taken so many accidental naps over here and over here, but it is so good. And I love these little plants in the background because they're just like a nice addition. And of course every week I water them because plants need water. This is the office space. This is where I come to do work. I actually have an internship, so this is where I do my meetings, and I'm also taking classes, so I have homework to do. But this is ultimately where I go to do my work, and it's really nice to have a dedicated workspace because otherwise I would just be all over the place. But what's also really special is that there's like a big window that's like coming through. So there's like a lot of sunlight, and I really love that because I need natural sunlight to get me through the day. So this is the kitchen. This is where everything goes on, where everything goes wrong. Just kidding. But this is my first time living alone completely, so I've had to cook for myself, and that's something I'm not used to because back at home I never really used to cook. Only thing I would cook at home is eggs. So this has been a very interesting time to like get to know what I'm capable of. I like cook chicken alfredo the first night I was here. This is my favorite part of the whole apartment. This is like a little island. So after I'm done cooking, I bring all my food over here and I just eat and no. But yeah, I really love this because when I get a place of my own, like for real, like I need one of these. So let me show you everything else. This is the fridge. This is where I put all my stuff. Nothing too much inside, but it's a fridge. And over here we have counter space. All of these are filled with like plates, drawers and stuff like that. This is the sink, of course. Over here there's a dishwasher, but I'm Asian. I don't really use dishwashers. I just hand wash everything. Like I've never had a dishwasher, let alone use one. So I'm not gonna start now. Sorry. This is the sink. This is the stove top with an oven and a microwave. And I surprisingly have never used a microwave thus far. But yeah, this is it. So this is the bed. This is a queen size mattress, and there's a clothing rack and a few chairs around, but this is a really comfy bed. Yeah, I truly only ever go in this area like to go to sleep. And of course I have to have my little Wilukuma. I couldn't pack all of them, but I sufficed for just this little tiny one because he's really portable. So yeah, Wilukuma is gonna be everywhere I go. So here we have the clothing rack. These are only a few shirts because I'm actually doing laundry right now, but yeah, I only packed like a few shirts surprisingly, and I packed like a lot of shorts, but for some reason I feel like I didn't pack enough because this is like a very minimal amount of clothes that I have, and I don't know how they added up to 40 pounds, but they did, and now I'm salty. So this is the bathroom. We have everything over here. So of course we have a toilet, a sink, a shower that also can be a bathtub if you want, but the best feature is inside this little closet. Look inside. This is a washer and dryer in unit. Like this is hard to find anywhere. So like if you have the opportunity, like you must. Alright, well that was my apartment in Los Angeles. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions about moving out, going to LA, stuff like that. I'm always happy to answer. Follow me on Instagram if you want to DM me. I'm more active on that. But without further ado, I'm gonna slay and pie.